So here is the result of my trade for today, and I just bought around 5,000 shares on Shopify. As you can see on the screen, I just bought around 5,000 shares on Shopify, and the result was around $1,000. And I put around my TP was around 1,000, and also my stop loss around 1,000, which I always do. So I just put my TP around 1,000, as you can see on the screen. And also I put my stop loss around 1,300. It's almost and always is 1-to-1. If I earn 1,000, and in bad situation I also lose 1,000, not more and not less. So here you can see on Nasdaq actually. So why I opened this position? I opened this position because the Nasdaq shows it. So the Nasdaq was in the pullback. So that's why I decided to open a long position on Shopify, because Shopify is the one part of the Nasdaq. So it's very important when you trade, you should be always careful about the also Nasdaq and S&P, because these two items is very important when you trade. So you can see on the screen the Nasdaq was in a pullback and also will continue the way to up. So here I changed the time frame from 1 to 5 minutes, so you can see it, and the wave also was positive, so that's why I long on Shopify. Of course I was lost in around 200 or 300 in the loss with Shopify, but I just waited to hit my target. As you know, the Nasdaq also will coming down because the market will drop, because inflation is not returned back yet. So that's why it's very important to follow all the news and be updated. So go back to the screen, and then you can see I was also at 300 in the profit. So you can see on the right side the Nasdaq also is still going up. So I just waited to hit my target. So today was not bad actually. So the market is start to coming down first and then start to going up, but the trend line is downside. So be always careful about this trend. So here I was around 700 in the profit. I just wait to hit my target. So the point of this video, you should always, as always I say, be careful about the index. Nasdaq, S&P is two options, is very important. So here was around I was around 700 or 800 in the profit. So the Nasdaq is still going up. So I just hit the target second. So here I just hit the target and I came out with this position around 1,000 profit. So yeah, that was all today guys, and thank you for watching. Of course just make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. And of course if you want to trade in the market, you should be always updated, as always I say. So this is very important parameter. So when you do that, so you will close your position with profit. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.